Kennedy Kalombotole uria ni mwikwiro munene wa njuragano ya Edward Maige Ndegwa mundurume wa miaka 54 tariki 17 kiumia giki wodi-ini ya Mugwanja B thibitari ni munene wa Kenyatta ni ikitio ngoro ni maabitha a uthuthuria a DCI. Njuragano eno yukite mieri 5 thutha wa Gilbert Kinyua kuragirwo thibitari-ini uyu wa Kenyatta ari gitandaini giake mweri wa keri mwaka uyu wodi-ini ya Mugwanja C ongerore yatabanirio na kahiu. Riboti-ini ya DCI Kalombotole uria kurerikana arario murwaru thibitari-ini uyu arahithukiirwo wodi-ini yake thutha wa makinya mataritari irari na thakame kumerekeria wodi-ini yake kuria marakorire macuka morire mari na thakame na kahiu karia karekwirwo gutabania ngero eno gatetwo nja ya wodi iyo gathaitwo na grofu cia moko.
I am aware that the reason why he was not presented in court this morning is because the DPP could not approve of the charges because they did not have sufficient evidence. The file has been thrown back to them to go and find sufficient evidence. Now, this is a man, you should see him. He's small-bodied, he's disheveled, very sickly, seemingly mentally unstable, chronically ill, suffering from at least 3 conditions, known conditions. Somehow this person was able to commit a murder and cover up the evidence so that there is not enough evidence to charge him. It's a circus. It's a circus. Must end.
Wakiri wa Kalombotole augite aikitio ngono hatari na mithingi iria yagiriire amugima wake wa mwiri wi hatikaini na arekwirwo gukorwo na thina wa meciria guku riboti yake ya thibitari ikionania ati ena murimo wa cukari na ni arang'ang'athara mahinda kwa mahinda.
After making my inquiries, he was then taken back to Kenyatta. He went for under triage, where in fact it was discovered that his high blood pressure had shot up. His sugar level had shot up tremendously. This is a person with high blood pressure, high sugar levels, type 2 diabetes, and chronic seizures.
Thibitari wa Kenyatta ugite ni Kalombotole arari murwaru wa ihinda iraya thibitari-ini uyu na ndari andu ao. Thibitari uyu ukiuga ni ugeretie gwetha andu ao na njira itiganite ona kugerera nenda cia ukinyaniria no indi mationete mundu ureitania na mwikwiro uyu kana uramenya ni waku. Ona riria arekwirwo gutabania ngero ya kuraga Gilbert Kinyua mweri wa keri na thutha ucio kurekwo aikare o wodi-ini yake, thibitari wa Kenyatta ugite ni kuragire kundu angiatwarirwo amu ndari andu ao na nigeretie kumetha hatari umithio o wothe na oho ndiaheirwo mwerekera ni maabitha a uthuthuria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Waithira Nduati wa Mwangi.